Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this problem. And it says, give examples of sampling techniques with pictures. So I have the eight sampling techniques. I have the probability sampling techniques and the non-probability sampling techniques. So for a simple random sample in this technique, each member of the population has an equal chance of being selected. A random number generator or a lottery method can be used to select samples. For systematic sampling in this technique, a fixed interval is used to select samples from the population, for example, every fifth member. Stratified sample in this technique, population is divided into subgroups. So here's my two subgroups based on certain characteristics, and then the samples are selected from each subgroup. Sample 4 right here is cluster sampling. In this technique, the population is divided into clusters, and then a random sample of the clusters is selected. Quota sampling is the technique of the population is divided into subgroups based on certain characteristics, and then a fixed number of samples are selected from each subgroup. Convenience sampling is, so then we have, so quota and convenience sampling is the population is divided into clusters, and then a random sample of the clusters is selected. Then we have quota sampling, convenience sampling. In this technique, samples are selected based on the availability of convenience. And then snowball sampling in this technique, initial samples are selected, and then they help in identifying and recruiting additional samples of the network. So I hope that this video helps you. This is a middle school math teacher signing out.